Welcome back. In the last buying guide, we covered Sora 10, AquaSense 2, AquaSense 2 Pro, and iSkim Ultra. Today, we're moving into part 2 with 4 more Beatbot models, Sora 30, Sora 70, AquaSense 2 Ultra, and iSkim. And just like last time, the right choice depends on your pool, your cleaning needs, and how hands-off you want your pool cleaning experience to be. So let's break it down and find your match. Before we move into the new models for part 2, a quick note on Sora 10. We already covered Sora 10 in the last video, so I won't go too deep here. But if you're buying your first robotic pool cleaner, upgrading from a traditional suction or pressure cleaner, or you just want a simple cordless option that covers floors, walls, and waterline and platforms, Sora 10 is still the easiest entry point. You can check the link below for the full part 1 buying guide breakdown, or watch the Sora series comparison video if you want a deeper feature by feature look across the entire Sora series product. So for now, let's move up to Sora 30 and see where the upgrade starts to make sense. So with no further ado, here's Sora 30. This is the step-up model for pool owners who want more runtime than the starter model, and it also gives you a more capable underwater cleaning experience. If you've been using a corded cleaner, this is where the upgrade really starts to feel different. No cable management, no dragging the cleaner around. Just drop it in and let it work. You still get 6,800 gallons per hour of suction and SonicSense AI obstacle avoidance. But compared to Sora 10, you're stepping up to a 10,000 milliamp hour battery with up to 5 hours of floor cleaning, plus a dual group roller brush system for more precise positioning around walls, edges, and tighter spaces. Covers floors, walls, waterline, and platforms with smart surface parking for easier pickup. So the real benefit is convenience, less cable hassle, more runtime, and better underwater cleaning confidence. If your main goal is reliable underwater cleaning with less hassle, Sora 30 is the smart mid-range upgrade between Sora 10 and Sora 70. And speaking of Sora 70, this is where things get interesting. In addition to cleaning the floor, walls, and waterline, Sora 70 handles the surface as well. This means you're getting 4-in-1 cleaning without needing multiple robots. The big upgrade is the advanced Jet Pulse water surface cleaning, which helps guide floating debris toward the robot before it sinks. You're again getting that same 6,800 gallons per hour of suction, SonicSense AI ultrasonic obstacle avoidance, platform cleaning, and smart surface parking. You also get a larger 6-liter debris basket and up to 5 hours of floor cleaning. Sora 70 is best for practical pool owners who want one reliable robot that covers more cleaning needs. If you don't want to manage multiple cleaners and you want both underwater cleaning and surface cleaning in one robot, Sora 70 is the all-purpose value leader. And if you want the most advanced option, meet AquaSense 2 Ultra. This is the premium AI-powered 5-in-1 cleaner. It handles the water surface, waterline, floor, walls, and even water clarification. But the real benefit is precision. With hybrid sense, pool mapping, and an AI camera, AquaSense 2 Ultra can understand your pool layout even more intelligently. With advanced AI cruise debris detection, it can identify debris and clean more intentionally rather than just moving around randomly. It also has side brushes for surface cleaning, app navigation control, one-touch retrieval, and like I touched on earlier, clear water natural clarification to help improve your water clarity. So if your pool is large, complex, or you want those premium features like AI mapping, debris detection, precision cleaning, and professional grade results, this is the flagship choice. Next up, iSkim. If your pool constantly collects leaves, pollen, bugs, or floating debris, iSkim handles that before it sinks to the bottom and keeps the surface clean. It uses a 24-watt solar panel for 24/7 cleaning, so it can charge while it works during the day. You also get full coverage surface cleaning, obstacle avoidance, edge cleaning, app control, dual connectivity, and smart auto parking for easy retrieval. The extra large 9-liter basket holds a lot of debris, while the anti-spill design helps keep that debris from escaping back into the pool. iSkim is built for busy families, above ground pools, smaller backyard pools, or anyone tired of manually skimming before every swim. And if you already have an underwater cleaner, it also makes a great companion. You can have iSkim handle the surface and let another robot handle the floor, walls, and the waterline. And if you watch our part 1 video, you can also check out the iSkim Ultra with even more features. So here's the simple version. Choose Sora 10 if you want the easiest affordable entry point into robotic pool cleaning. Choose Sora 30 if you're upgrading from corded to cordless and you want more runtime, stronger wall cleaning, and better underwater cleaning confidence. Choose Sora 70 if you want one robot that handles both underwater cleaning and surface cleaning. Choose AquaSense 2 Ultra if you want the advanced AI-powered 5-in-1 cleaning experience for a larger or more complex pool. And choose iSkim if surface debris is your biggest headache, or if you want a solar-powered skimmer to pair with your underwater cleaner. So whether you want simple value, cordless convenience, all-purpose cleaning, premium AI automation or non-stop surface skimming, there's a Beatbot for your pool. Every one of these Beatbot models is on sale this Prime Day, so now's a great time to find the one that fits your pool. Check the links below for live deals and pricing, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.